Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to change your Gumtree login email. To change your login email on Gumtree, you'll need to go ahead and log in to your Gumtree account on a web browser. Open up a web browser on your computer or your mobile devices and then type in gumtree.com and search. Make sure that you're logged into your Gumtree account as well. After you're signed in to the main home page, go to the top right corner and click on the menu button. In the expanded menu, click on My Details. Doing this will take you to this page from where you will be able to see the Contact Details option. Click the Edit button right next to Contact Details and then go to the Your Primary Email option. Click on the Change button and enter a new email address you would like to change to and click the Change Primary option. You will now need to activate the new email by verifying your email address. Open up a new tab and log into your email service provider. Open up the same email addresses inbox that you just typed in for Gumtree. Open up the email that you received from Gumtree and then click on the link provided in it, and then you will be able to verify your email. Soon after you verify your email, you will be able to change your email address on Gumtree. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.